Welcome to Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Today we are going to discuss about email marketing. What is email marketing? Email marketing is the act of sending promotional messages to people in mass quantities. It typically is to generate sales or leads, and it may contain advertising. How does email marketing work? Email marketing is the process of targeting your audience and customers through email. It helps you boost conversions and revenue by providing subscribers and customers with valuable information to help achieve their goals. Email marketing benefits. There are 3.8 billion email users worldwide, so if you are looking for a way to reach your customers, email is the perfect place to find them. On average, email generates $38 for every dollar spent, which is a 3,800% return on investment. Two-thirds of customers have made a purchase as a direct result of an email marketing message. Only 20% of leads that are sent directly to sales are qualified, meaning they need to be nurtured via email and great content. When it comes to customer acquisition, email is 40x more effective than Facebook and Twitter combined. Perhaps the best reason to use email marketing is that you own the channel. Outside of compliance regulations, there is no external entity that can impact how, when, or why you reach out to your subscribers. Email is permission-based. When a customer trusts you with their email address, it's the virtual equivalent of being given the keys to their house. Gaining permission to enter rather than showing up uninvited increases the chances of engagement and conversion. Affords you direct access to your audience. You can communicate directly with subscribers on their schedules. In addition, because people check their emails daily, your email is likely to be viewed. Gives you more control. With most other marketing platforms, you don't own the platform. If the platform ceases to exist, all your hard work sinks with it. With email, you own the relationships you forge with your subscribers. More personalization capabilities. You can use demographic or psychographic data to create personalized and hyper-targeted campaigns. Research shows segmented and personalized campaigns increase revenue by as much as 760%. Measurable. Measuring the effectiveness of a marketing campaign is crucial, and automated email marketing makes measuring your campaign a breeze. Scalable. Email marketing campaigns can scale without putting a strain on your resources or compromising quality. When to use email marketing? There are many ways to use email marketing, some of the most common including using the tactic to build relationships, build connections through personalized engagement. Boost brand awareness, keep your company and your services top of mind for the moment when your prospects are ready to engage. Promote your content. Use email to share relevant blog content or useful assets with your prospects. Generate leads. Entice subscribers to provide their personal information in exchange for an asset that they would find valuable. Market your products. Promote your products and services. Nurture leads, delight your customers with content that can help them succeed in their goals. If you want to know more details about email marketing, then why are you waiting? Join the Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Our training classes are online or offline. We are the #1 digital marketing institute in India. Our courses are certified by top university in India. We are offering 3 types of certified diploma programs in digital marketing. Digital Marketing Certification Program. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design UI and UX. Our training program during 6 months. First 3 months we teach about the course completely and practically. Next 3 months arrange an internship and live projects in top MNC companies. End of 3 months internship, you will get 3 months internship experience certificate in top MNC companies. We offers additional career support services for you. There are resume building, portfolio building, interview questions and answers, personality development, soft skills training, LinkedIn profile building, communication skills training, mock interviews, one-on-one mentorship, job portal, career counseling, and dedicated placement offers. Our alumni placed in top MNC companies. We have 3,000 alumni and 11,000 hiring partners. We have 5 branches in Asia: Singapore, Dubai, Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore,